Okay, this is gold. So the question is, what's gonna happen to gold? So let's first see what do we have. So today's high is the highest compared to yesterday. So we got this and we got this low. Okay, so based on what we see now, we just need to determine the major direction of the market. So what do we have? I see a major resistance here. So let me just zoom out for you. Let me just zoom out. Okay, cool. This is what we have, high and low. So I see a major resistance there and another one here which has been broken. So what I anticipate the market to do is for the market to keep going up to that level. However, let's just check for possible retests before the market goes up. Let's see a major support there which has not been retested. So there's a possibility that the market might come down to that. Let me just do this. Might come down to that zone. However, that is wholly dependent on what happens here. Okay, so let's take a closer look of what's happening here. Let's take a closer look. Okay, let's just do this. So what's happening here? What do we see? So what we see here is that this level has been broken. Has this one been broken? Let's see. Yes, it's been broken. This one has been broken. So we are definitely looking to go up with a bit of retest, maybe a situation like this, or situation like this. So let's see exactly what might happen. So we have this level and this level, and so these are all first breakers. We got this level and this level that has been broken. So what I anticipate the market to do is to come down to this level. So from where it is right now, so this is what I see. So if we had been here, we can still enter though. We would have gotten 10 pips, but since the market is here, we can always score 7 pips if we enter now. So this is what I see happening. So I'll just place an alarm there so that it tells us when the market gets here. So 7 pips. So how much is 7 pips? Let's just check for gold. How much is 7 pips? So gold, 7 pips. We all know the unit size is 100. So for 0.01 lot size, you get 137 basically. But if you were to purchase with 0.1, of course we all know it goes up. Or you to buy with a 10. So that's how much 7 pips will score you. But let's not jump into conclusions. Let's see if the market really comes down to this level, or even way below. We also anticipate it coming to this level, which is the zone, which is basically 26 pips from where it is right now. So, which is good money. 26 pips on gold is good money. So it could score you 500 rand or 5,000 for 0.1 entry. And what is the risk? What are you risking? So if we check how much we're risking, so we are risking 4 pips for 26 pips, 4.5 basically, 4.5 for 26 pips, and that is how much? 26 for 0.1 is 5,000. 5.4 calculates 800, and I mean 800, we can just round off and just say 1,000 rand, or 88 rand for a lot size of 0.01 for 26 pips, which can get you 500 rand. So if you had 100 rand and you would open a trade for 100 rand on gold right now, if you're risking 4.5 pips, that'll get you 88 rands loss, basically risking the whole 100 rand, so that you may gain 500 rand. So the ratio is within your favor. I mean, it's 1:5.79. So let's see if the market does go down. The USD looks strong, but we can always confirm this using the index. So based on the index, let's just confirm if the market is really gonna be going down. So the question is gold going to be weak in the next coming hours? So this is what we have on the dollar index. So what we should expect on the dollar index is for bullish moves we're looking for bullish moves, because gold tells us that it's going to be strong. Gold tells us that USD is going to be strong. So if USD is strong, that means the index is going to be strong. So at the moment there's no bullish signals. I am unable to pick up any bullish signals, but we still have these zones which have not yet been respected. So yeah, market still looks bearish, the higher time frames. So until we start breaking, changing character, so we are currently here. So until the market start giving us bullish signals, we are still looking bearish for now. So maybe we are coming down here. Maybe this is where we should look for, in this zone we should look for bullish signals, as we are anticipating the US dollar to be strong according to this analysis. So if the USD is going to be strong, we should expect it to go down, but if it's going to be weak, we should be looking for bullish signals here. So it will reject this move going down, and maybe start communicating a direction going up. So let's wait and see what happens, but we do have our stop loss here, so the market will tell us, but we will exit before it even gets to that level. So let me just highlight in yellow our fail safe. Let's put in alerts there. If it gets to that level, that means we should start looking for bullish candles. So if it breaks this level, we'll look for, let me just say exit gold. We'll exit this bearish trade and look for another bullish trade, as we are anticipating the move to still go up. So it's a probability. The market still owes a move to this zone, and it still owes a move to this zone. So based on what happens here, either we break this level to go up, or we break this level to go down. So but at the moment, I feel confident about the bearish move. So let's see what happens. All right, welcome back. So let's see what actually happened to gold. What actually happened? Wow. Excuse my voice. Interesting. So we anticipated that it was gonna go down, and we placed our stop loss here, and we said to ourselves, if it crosses this level, it was actually this yellow level, we are exiting the trade. So apparently it did not come to the upside as far as touching that level or closing up beyond that level. It later went down after consolidating within our risk zone. So this was a good trade. So what happened here, this was our first target. We closed below the target, which means it's a continuation to the next target. And then what happened to the next target, the yellow one? We closed below the next target, which meant we had to go to the next target. And then what happened when we got to that target, it sort of did a consolidation a bit. But if we use a bias block to check, we see that favor was upon the sellers. So we ended up breaking that target, which meant we had to go to the final target of our trade, which was this zone here, which we also broke as well. So this was a good trade. So what happened to the US dollar index? So we see that we had anticipated a bullish move. So what happened is that we could not go beyond this zone. However, it seems we broke the zone. So there's a possibility that we could still be coming down to this zone. Let me just highlight it in yellow. So it could be a situation where the market is still going up to retest some of these levels so that it comes back down. So that is a probability as well. So what actually happened? So we got to, I believe it was 8 o'clock. And the market sort of gave us, it started communicating reversal. So if I was to draw my levels, that would have been my first breaker. However, it was broken here. So the lowest level is this one. So that would have been our change of character. And the first breaker is this level. So what we're looking at is these two. I hope it's clear. So these two levels, one serving as the change of character and the other serving as the first breaker. So as you can see, the first breaker, which is, let me make it in yellow, after the break of the red, let me just zoom in. After the red was broken, just take this out. So the red was broken by this candle, and then after that candle broke, the breaker, which is the yellow one, well, it should be green, the green one, we call it the first breaker. It was retested twice by these 2 wicks, and thereafter the bullish move that we were waiting for was effected. That's the move up. So I believe everything played out well as planned. So we were anticipating a bullish move, and it ended up happening on this zone instead of this zone here, because I know we were waiting for a retest on this zone, but it ended up changing direction on this zone. So yeah, everything played out well.
Thank you for watching. Please share your views of this trade on the comments, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell for more reviews.